Here is how to build an email template in HubSpot step by step. Start by opening the Message Templates tool inside HubSpot. From the main navigation, go to CRM, then choose Message Templates and make sure the Email tab is selected. This brings you to the area where email templates are created and stored, so you are working in the correct place before you begin building anything. Next, start a new template. If you want to begin with an existing layout, click Get Started with a template. If you want to create the template yourself from a blank canvas, click Start from Scratch. Both options take you into the template setup, so choose the one that matches how you want to build the email. After that, configure the template settings. Set who the template is shared with, choose the folder where it should be saved, and confirm the owner if that needs to be adjusted. This is worth checking carefully, especially if your account has multiple users or organized folders, because those settings affect where the template appears and who can access it later. Once the setup is in place, enter the template details. Type a template name that will help you recognize it in your account, then add the subject line for the email. If you want to personalize the message, click Insert and choose the personalization tokens you want to include. These tokens pull in contact information dynamically, so make sure they are added in the right places. Now move into the body of the email, write your message directly in the editor, then use the formatting toolbar to shape the content. You can apply text formatting, insert links, add images, and include any other content available in the editor. As you write, keep an eye on spacing and layout so the finished template reads clearly when it is used. When the email content is in place, preview the template. Open the Preview Example Email dropdown and select the contact. This shows you how the subject and message will look when personalized information is filled in. If a token appears incorrectly or does not fit the sentence well, this is the stage where you can catch it before saving. Take a moment to review the content closely. Check the subject line, the email body, the formatting, and each personalization token. Make sure the message looks the way you expect and that the inserted details match the contact preview correctly. A quick review here helps prevent having to return and edit the template later. When everything looks correct, click Save Template. HubSpot will add the new email template to your account and store it using the settings you selected earlier. Your HubSpot email template is now saved and ready to use.